Hello, my name is Devanshu, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can create attractive video quotes for Instagram or other social media platforms. If you follow all the steps that I share in this video, I can assure you after a little practice you should be able to create some attractive video quotes, that too within just 1 minute. Let us begin. So once you have logged into Canva, there you can see there are different designs. So we are going to work on for a quotes that we are going to create. And how does it look? So I have recently worked on a design. So let me quickly open it. Now you just need to follow the steps that I'm going to tell you in order to create such creatives for Instagram or other social media platforms. You just need to choose a design. So here you can see there is an Instagram post written over here. So I don't need to choose a dimension. Otherwise, you can go to the design section and you can choose that. You can click over create design, put your dimension, and you can do that. So let me show you this from scratch. Alright, so this is our canvas. So this is a blank canvas. On the left hand side you would be able to see there are a lot of templates available out there. And if I scroll down, so you can choose any of these templates that you want to use. So let me try to find out the same template. Right, so this is how you can scroll through, and you'll find like plenty of templates out there. So if I scroll up, you will find this template that I have used, like it is available right there. So this is now there, but if you see there is no video. If I show you in a full screen, this is not a video but a picture only. So let us do the changes. Now we need a code. So this is by default template. So I'm going to search for marketing, let's say codes. And if I search for marketing codes, let's go to this website and find out a few codes. So there you can see there are a lot of codes. So you can choose whatever the code that you wish to use. So this is one website. Likewise, you will find plenty of sources available on Google. So this is the code that I have used. So let me use this one. So quickly copy this. Once copied, go back, click over the text. I want to select all text. You can click over command and all, or control or all, and then paste your text over here. So done. So this is the author name. So let me put it below this in this space. Right, let me delete this dash quickly. Yeah, so there you can see this code is now available out there. Now I want to use this I want to change or work around the font or color. So you can simply choose it, and you can choose whatever the font you like. So just click over here. So Special Elite is the default font of this template. I have been using this font, right? So it's up to you whether you want to change it or not. Then likewise you can change this font as well. Let's do it. Done. So we have changed the font. Let's say I want to change the color from black to let's say my brand's color or some specific color that I'm using. Just click over the color, and here you can see I have saved the brand color, so it's a premium feature. However, you can choose your own color from here. So you I either put a code over here, or you can search for your own color, that you can do like a manually. So let me choose this color. Okay. If you want to play around the tag, want to make it look bigger, you can do that. Okay. Now the main part is about the background. So background we have to change. So what I'm going to do, quickly search for the videos. So let me search for something which is motivational. So if I search for related to fight, maybe some aggressive or something, uh, I don't see anything relevant. Okay, spelling mistake is not there. All right. So I have used the boxing video, so let me search for the boxing. You can shortlist from here. If you are looking for just free videos, just click over it, you will find the free videos that you can use without any issues. Okay, so maybe this one I can use. Mm, I don't know. So search, keep searching. If I search for motivational, all right, when I search for motivational, there you can see there is this video that I have used actually. So you have to just drag it here, and you can see the background has been changed now. Right, now what next you need to do, so this is blocking the face, so I'm going to select this whole thing. Right, click over this, so I have selected it. Now I can move it anywhere, wherever I want it. Now let's say you want to put this character into, not in the center, but little bit on side. If I play this, okay, this looks fine. All right, but just in case you need to crop it, you can click over a crop. So this is how you can move the video throughout your canvas. So probably this way would be fine maybe. So click over done. Right, so you can see the person in the back is not visible over here. Just in case if I want to make him visible, so I can drag it a bit more, and you can see this much is fine. Click over done, and boom. But if I zoom it in, you will see there is no audio, so we need to add some audio as well, that will make it look much more appealing. So overall effect would be great. So just go back. All right, now you need to locate the music section on the left. So you need to click over music. Once you click over music, there you can see a lot of suggestions are there. You can filter and choose the free music from here. You can apply the filter, and here you can see there are a lot of music. Let me choose this music. Just click and click or drag it here, and then you can see this music has been applied here. Once you are ready, you can simply go ahead and download it. Click over download, and you can choose your format, that is MP4 video. Click over download, and this shall get downloaded to your local machine. And once it has been downloaded, you can simply use it to upload it over Instagram, LinkedIn, or wherever you wish to use it. So there you can see this clip is ready now.
So now that you have learned the art, go ahead and apply it. Thank you.